guys, welcome back to my channel for another CVS video. Thank you all for joining me once again, and I just want to tell you all that I appreciate all your support. I will use a 10 of 17 next purchase CRT, and this will be an all digital deal with no paper coupon needed. The first deal I have is buy 2 get $5 extra care box on select Crest toothpaste, and it's a limit of 2. What I'm going to do is pick up 4, but the way I will do this deal is pick up 2 of the Densify. They're on sale for $8.99. If you're doing this deal, make sure you're scanning your products. The next 2 toothpaste I'll pick up will be the Crest Brilliance on sale for $8.99. All 4 toothpastes will total $35.96. For the Crest Densify, we have a 5 off 2 and a $4 digital coupon that will double dip and take off 9. And for the Crest Brilliance, we also have a 5 off 2 and a $4 digital coupon that will double dip. I'm using a 10 of 17 next purchase CRT to do this deal, but I'll explain this deal in case you don't have a threshold CRT. Total for these 4 toothpaste is $35.96, and we have $18 in digital coupon that will drop it down to $17.96, and you get 10 back. That's because you're doing this deal twice. It's a limit of 2. Check Ibotta because it's giving back $2, limit of 1. After the $2 back, it will end up making these 4 toothpaste just $5.96 or $1.49 each. The next deal I'm picking up will be the Scope mouthwash. They're on sale for $4.99. We don't have any digital coupon or paper coupon for this product, but if you're doing it by itself, you pay the $4.99 and you get $3 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, making it just 99 cents. If you have a 4 off 20 Crest or Oral-B CRT, what you can do is pick up 2 of the toothpaste and 1 of the mouthwash. These 3 items will total $21.97. Using the $9 digital coupon, that's the 5 off 2 and the $4 that will double dip, and also add the 4 off 20 CRT, that will drop it down to $8.97, and you get 5 back for the Crest toothpaste and also $3 back for the Scope mouthwash. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on the Crest toothpaste and $1 back on the mouthwash. That will end up making these 3 free and $2.03 moneymaker. Next thing I'm adding will be on CoverGirl Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2, get $6 back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up 1 of the Perfect Blend pencil, priced at $5.79. And to complete this deal, I'll pick up 1 of the CoverGirl Atlas top coat, priced at $5.29. I'm only picking up 1 of the top coat because that's all my store have. But if you find more than 1, that will be a better deal because it will end up being a moneymaker. These 2 will total $11.08. We all received a $5 mystery offer today that will drop it down to $6.08, and I'll get $6 back, making both items just 8 cents or 4 cents each. The next deal I'm adding to this transaction will be on L'Oreal Elvive. They're on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $6 extra care box. I'll pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 7, and I'll get 6 back, making both just $1 or 50 cents each. The last deal I'll add before I check out will be on Garnier Fructis. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 extra care box. I'll pick up 2 of the leave-in conditioner at $8 for both, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 4, and I'll get 2 back, and that will make these 2 conditioners just $2 or $1 each. This is what my 10 off 17 next purchase CRT transaction will look like, and the total for everything you're looking at is $70.03. And I have $30 in digital coupon and $10 off from the threshold CRT. That will drop it down to $30.03, and I'll use some extra care box to help reduce my out of pocket. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out and how all my coupons are applied. You can see all the items I picked up. On my coupon section, the L'Oreal coupon came off, and the 4 Crest digital coupons, they all double dipped and took off $18. And the 4 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis came off as well. And my 10 off 17 next purchase CRT came off. The $5 for the CoverGirl came off. And I used $26 extra care box to help lower my out of pocket. Just paid $4.03 plus tax out of pocket. and I got back $10 for doing the crest deal twice, got back $3 for doing the scope deal, and a $6 for the cover girl, and another $6 for the L'Oreal Elvive. And the last extra care box I got was $2 for the Garnier Fruities. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $2 for the crest. That's a limit of 1. And I also got back $1 for the scope mouthwash. And I have a 6% back offer that gave back 49 cents. I hope everyone have that in their account. After all this rebate and the extra care box, this transaction ended up being free. I have a $2 email CRT that is for hand and body lotion, and it's attaching to all the lip balms. I found this EOS lip balm on sale for $2.09. Using the $2 CRT, I also added 9 cents from the 2% back in extra care box that we always receive, and that ended up making this item free. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.